01, 39.93, 85, and 74. Pivot 19, 40, 19, support at 09, 01, 39.93, 85, and 74. Resistance on the upside at 28, 40, 55, 64, and 74. All right. Welcome to some of the new folks that are here. We are trading mini S&Ps, looking for opportunities to scalp the market based on the levels we just gave out, in addition to any price action opportunities that might occur. And we're looking probably around 2 or 3 points on our trades here, with the likewise amount of stops. And that's minimally. Obviously, if you can manage those trades somehow and get a little bit more, obviously you just trade more than one contract, you can probably get a little bit more out of those trades than 2 or 3 points. But again, that's minimally what we're looking for. And I like to average about 4 or 5 trades a day in the morning hours. We feel the morning hours suits our methodology and our opportunities a lot better than the afternoon trade does. The dynamics in the afternoon definitely change and create different opportunities, but it's a little bit more volatile. There's a lot less liquidity, and so we kind of like to trade the morning hours, where at least we have there's some opportunity that fits our methodology a lot better. If you look at the chat box level area, you'll see the levels there that we gave out this morning. And we'll see what the day brings. All right, upticking here a little bit. Got resistance around the 28 area. Let's see if there's any other numbers coming out this morning. We had Empire State Manufacturing survey that already came out. They were expecting minus 0.8, and it came out minus 32 point something. So a big, no, they were expecting minus 8%. They came out at minus 32%, something like that. And that was a big miss, but market really didn't react to any of that when that first came out. And there's only a Fed speak later on this afternoon at 2 o'clock. Some Fed speak governors talking could create some volatility, but who knows? So we'll see what the day brings. Again, if anybody has any questions, please feel free to ask in the chat. We have to show some patience here and wait for opportunities. First resistance area is up at 28, and our support level is down at 09. And kind of in the middle, we have to be a little bit patient to see what the market is going to give us to trade or not. All right. As you can see, it's been kind of quiet. I mean, this little rally here, kind of going back to the 40 handle in the S&Ps. Kind of, again, you know, the wisdom is that the U.S. economy is going to be in some kind of recession at some point. And well, we'll see what's going to happen. I don't know if the market is reacting that way or not. But you never know how these things play out. All right, coming back down here. Again, just chopping around here a little bit. Again, patience is important to wait for opportunities. We're just kind of chopping around here, came back down here to our pivot area, so we're very, very neutral. All right, we're just kind of hanging around the little range that it created here. Got support down at 09. Again, if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask in the chat. All right, going quickly down here to our blue band. We have 9 as support, got down there to 10 and a quarter. Again, if you're trading our blue band, good little opportunity there. You would have had to include that in addition to the 9, obviously. We're still on the same bar, so we'll see if it comes down here again really quickly. Otherwise, you'll have to be a little bit careful there against the 09 area. Yeah, coming around. Now we got the new bar, so the 10, well, 10's a little bit tenuous, but if you maybe adjusted this a little bit, you work in this 10 area here a little. We have our green band there at 08 as well, so we have few areas there of support right around here. Obviously, we got down to 10 and a quarter a second ago, kind of made this a little bit more tenuous. So keep it tight and also make sure you cut down your contracts. But again, see how it plays out. Trying to give us a little bit of a rotation. Whatever you do, make sure you keep your stops in place. Okay, there we go. Nice little quick pop here against our 10 area, which was our first support area. And if you look at the chat box, you'll see the levels there for you. Well, we had 09, so 10 was earlier. We got right down to right down to 09 there. And like I said, the 8 was our green band, so we had a couple layers of support down there. I had the 10 obviously, and then I had the 9, and a little bit below that too. There was my scale. So we got right down to 9 there and pop back up again. We had a few reasons down there of support. All right. Might not be at the Waffle House soon. Might be someplace else. All right, nice little pop here against the 09 area. All right, nice little rotation there. Blue band is 10 and a quarter down. Green band is at 8 and a quarter. So we had few layered reasons under there to hang in there with the 9. If you were able to jump in there and stay with it, there's a nice little quick rotation off of it. Perfect, great. All right, so come back up here to pivot area at 19. It's kind of, if you did stay long there, that's where you're going to probably look to get out or have a trailing stop. This is how you can take a little bit more than 2 or 3 points on your trades here. And let's see, our historical shift has taken place in China that is set to have long-term impacts for both domestic and global economies, according to National Bureau of Statistics. The nation's total population fell by 850,000 in 1922 to 1.412 billion, making it the first decline since 1961.